How to verify your YouTube account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can verify our YouTube account, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now, verifying a YouTube account versus verifying a YouTube channel could be different cases, because in this case verifying a channel means you get those check verification mark, which in the case of YouTube account simply means adding a phone number to just verify two-factor authentication. And in order to do this, it's pretty much simple. You open a YouTube app, you make sure that you sign into the YouTube account you want to verify, tap the profile icon here. Now once you come to the profile page, you can tap the Google account icon over here, which will take you to the Google account management page, because your YouTube account is basically just a Google account. And once you're here on this page, let it load for a couple of seconds, and after you've done that, you can simply go to the tab known as personal info. And as you go to personal info tab, if you haven't already added a phone number, you'll find the current phone numbers you've added. You can just go ahead and tap the more options and choose to add a phone number if you haven't done so. Once you've done that, verify the OTP code, and your YouTube account as a result will also get verified. And that's all it takes to verify your YouTube account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.